I'm dead. No shot. Whatever, dude.
I'm being touched by red team. The objective is neutral. Blue team has 2.5 minutes on the objective. Come on, red team. Red team is taking objective points. Come on. Good shot.
Thank you.
Oh, look, man.
It doesn't feel very good.
I'm Mikey.
If they don't, you just kill them with the right shot.
I'm dead.
Yeah. I swear to... You're not 18.
Yell. All yell back.
Are you 18?
Honest, conservative.